Hi everybody, welcome to Japanese Cooking Lovers. I am Yuri. Today I will show you how to make daikon pickles. It's called Daikon no Senmaizuke. Today I use daikon, but it is actually popular if you use turnip. Kabu is turnip. Kabu no senmaizuke is usually the most popular one in Japan. But you can use daikon also. But if you prefer use turnip, that's also good. So if you want to do that, please try do that.
Make sure every one of them has salt on it. Take the air out.
So this is how to make Daikon no Senmaizuke. The Japanese pickles, the key is, I think, the Konbu, because Konbu has umami, which is amino acid, and that has very good flavors. So that makes Japanese pickles giving good taste. And also, I know it takes a couple days to make this recipe, but it's worth it, I think. I love this pickles. It's sweet and tasty. So this is very good with plain rice. If you like my YouTube video, please thumbs up and also subscribe my YouTube channel. I appreciate it. And this is Japanese Cooking Lovers, and I am Yuri. Thanks for watching and see you next time very soon.